Your home should be a place where comfort comes naturally, but outdated or poorly performing doors can make that difficult. From drafts and uneven temperatures to excess humidity and outside noise, your doors play a bigger role in indoor comfort than many homeowners realize. In Palmetto Bay, where warm weather and coastal conditions are part of daily life, upgrading to replacement doors can significantly improve how your home feels year-round. One of the most immediate benefits of replacement doors is improved temperature control. Older doors often develop gaps around the frame or lose their ability to seal properly over time. This allows warm outdoor air to enter and cool indoor air to escape, making your home less comfortable and forcing your air conditioning system to work harder. Modern replacement doors are designed with tight seals and insulated cores that help maintain a consistent indoor temperature. This means your home stays cooler and more comfortable, even during the hottest days in Palmetto Bay. Humidity control is another important factor in maintaining indoor comfort. Coastal areas like Palmetto Bay often experience high levels of moisture in the air. When your doors are not properly sealed, that humidity can enter your home, leading to a sticky, uncomfortable environment. Replacement doors create a secure barrier that helps keep excess moisture out, making your indoor space feel fresher and more pleasant. This also reduces the risk of mold and mildew, which can develop in humid conditions. Energy efficiency goes hand in hand with comfort. Replacement doors are built using advanced materials that help minimize heat transfer. Many feature insulated cores and energy-efficient construction that prevent outdoor heat from affecting your indoor environment. As a result, your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable temperature. This not only improves comfort but can also lead to lower energy bills over time. Another way replacement doors enhance comfort is by eliminating drafts. Drafts can create noticeable hot spots near entryways and disrupt the overall balance of your home's temperature. With properly installed doors, these issues are minimized. The improved fit and sealing ensure that air stays where it belongs, creating a more even and comfortable indoor climate. Noise reduction is another benefit that homeowners appreciate. Gaps and poor insulation in older doors can allow outside noise to easily enter your home. Whether it's traffic, neighbors, or everyday outdoor activity, this can make your living space feel less relaxing. Replacement doors with better insulation and tighter seals help block unwanted noise, creating a quieter and more peaceful environment. Durability also contributes to long-term comfort. In Palmetto Bay's climate, exposure to heat, humidity, and salt air can take a toll on building materials. Modern replacement doors are made from materials that resist warping, cracking, and corrosion. This ensures they continue to perform well over time, maintaining their ability to keep your home comfortable without frequent repairs or maintenance. Ease of operation is another factor that adds to everyday comfort. Older doors can become difficult to open or close due to wear or misalignment. Replacement doors are installed with precision, ensuring smooth operation and a proper fit. This makes daily use more convenient while also maintaining a secure seal. Aesthetic improvements also play a role in how comfortable your home feels. A well-designed door can enhance the overall look of your interior and exterior, creating a more inviting atmosphere. When your home looks better, it naturally feels more enjoyable to spend time in. Proper installation is essential to achieving all of these benefits. Even the highest quality door won't perform effectively if it's not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures a tight fit, proper alignment, and effective sealing, all of which are critical for maximizing comfort. In the end, replacement doors do more than update your home's appearance, they transform how it feels. For homeowners in Palmetto Bay, upgrading to modern, well-insulated doors provides better temperature control, reduced humidity, improved energy efficiency, and a quieter indoor environment. With these benefits, you can enjoy a more comfortable and relaxing home every day.